So this video is going to be a little bit different to my typical videos. We're going to get a little bit personal-ish and talk about things that people are a little bit scared to talk about, and that's like income, finances. I am going to talk about my multiple streams of income. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Taddy G, and on this channel I like to share tips, tricks, gems, all related to running a clothing brand, because I run my very own clothing brand called Shopify. A lot of people might think that my income just comes from running my clothing brand, but that's definitely very far from the truth. But it is definitely one of my streams of income. So I started Shopify back in 2018, and it is one of my streams of income, and it's definitely something that's opened the doors to my subsequent streams of income that I have. So that's why I always have to talk about Shopify first, because it's definitely my first baby. Definitely the income from Shopify fluctuate. There's times where I'm having consistent orders. This is the truth, consistent orders. There's times when I'm not, and that's just business at the end of the day. And keeping on top of Shopify can be quite difficult, because it's like you always kind of sort of have to be creative, and genuinely I feel like I am not that creative a person. I've just recently come up with a new collection and I absolutely love it, but now like my brain is trying to tick on and think, okay, what am I bringing out next? Because I need to bring out something next in order to keep Shopify like ticking and running. I'm almost sold out of one of my collections, one of my restocks, and I need to think what I'm gonna do next. So Shopify, I would say, is probably one of my hardest streams of income. Like, it's not easy to run a small clothing brand. So my next stream of income is YouTube and YouTube AdSense. When you watch a video like this, there's usually an ad, and I earn a small percentage from you watching that ad, and that is what is called AdSense. So I was monetized on YouTube in February of 2021, because I started my YouTube channel September of 2020. I was monetized relatively quickly, so every month I earn money from YouTube AdSense, and again, that is something that definitely fluctuates. Some months can be really, really good, and some months can be like okay, but it's definitely a blessing and it's income that I use. I love creating videos for you guys, even though it is extremely time consuming, because I do have to plan out the videos, sit down and film them, and then edit them, and I do everything myself, as well as running my clothing brand. So yes, my YouTube channel is my second stream of income from AdSense. So next, tying straight into YouTube again, I take on collabs. Sometimes you may see me talking about a product. Often I'm being paid by the brand to talk about that product. So I may say something like, I'm so glad to be working with X company, or thank you X company for sponsoring this video. That basically means they've paid me. But don't get it twisted, I will never talk about a product that I don't actually believe in and that I haven't tried and tested, because that's where integrity comes into place. You can earn a pretty penny from YouTube collabs, but with everything in self-employment, you can have like really good months and not so good months. You might get a month where you don't even have a single collab, and then you might get a month where you'll get like loads of collabs. So when it comes to like this line of work, you have to be really, really good with your money. You might have a good June and then you blow all that money, and then August, September, you don't earn a single thing. But yeah, YouTube collabs are my third stream of income. Tying into collabs, I sometimes do get the occasional Instagram collaboration as well. So that would be my fourth stream of income. Similar to YouTube collabs, I get paid to basically post about a brand, except it's on Instagram instead. My next stream of income is my digital products. On my website, taddyg.co.uk, I sell my tech pack guide, which has helped so many people. Ooh, some drama going on outside. Oh, I want to see how this pans out. Nosy beaver. That's what happens when you sit with your window open. Yeah. If I even tell you the backstory as to how I decided to start selling them, it's crazy, and I'm so happy that I did it. So I had plans to create a starter kit. We'll talk about that last. I had plans to create a starter kit for a long time, and the first thing I created within that starter kit was this tech pack template, which is a major key when it comes to starting your clothing brand. So one day I just decided to actually put it up as a digital product, a standalone digital product on my website, and I started getting people purchasing it, and I was like, I've been sitting on this. I've been sitting on money. In the last, when did I even upload it for the first time? I sold my first digital product in April of 2021, so about 2 years ago. And since then, I have literally made tens of thousands selling that tech pack. Crazy. And I was just sitting on that, and I don't do any ads or anything on it. It just, most of the visitors literally come from my YouTube channel, so I feel like if I put more into it and run ads on it or whatever, I could probably make a lot more, but it's not really my focus right now. But yeah, selling my digital product it's up there. My sixth stream of income definitely ties into my website as well. What happened was I was getting a lot of messages on my Instagram from people asking lots and lots of questions, and obviously I didn't mind answering the questions in the DMs, but then it ended up being oh, can I jump on a call with you and talk? And guys, I used to do these calls for free a lot of the time, and it would take up hours of my day just talking to people on the phone and trying to help, until I decided that actually I'm gonna charge. And now I do these one-on-one consultation calls. People actually basically pay to talk to me, and I've never had a bad review or anything. People, either they come back to talk to me again, or they're just really, really thankful. They tell me, I've helped them a lot. Some people, I've literally stayed on this call with them for 3 hours, because I don't know how to say, listen, your time is up. If you want to pay for more time, you can. But yeah, another one that I definitely jumped on late was affiliate marketing. I can earn a pretty penny from affiliate marketing, and I still feel like I'm not even pushing it as much as I can. Currently, I have affiliate links for Adobe. That one is really, really good. That one, yeah. We have some really good months with that one. I have one for Shopify. Again, another really good affiliate program. Then I have some other little ones as well that, they tried it. But those are my main ones at the moment, where I have a little bit of focus in. But I've definitely jumped on it late, because my most watched video on my YouTube channel is how to design clothes. So if I keep looking that way, it's because I'm looking out the window and I'm so easily distracted by the cars. But yeah, my most watched video is how I design clothes using Adobe Illustrator. By the time I actually jumped on the affiliate program for Adobe, I think that video was already in the hundreds of thousands in terms of views, so I definitely missed out, but it's doing well now. Now my final stream of income, which is not even up yet, it's not even ready, it's not even bringing in an income yet, but I feel like it should bring in a really good steady income, and that will be my starter kit. And I like to call it a starter kit and not a course, because I don't know, courses are a little bit, the name course is just, it's like the word influencer to me. Mine is a starter kit. It is a kit that will help you start your clothing brand, and that, God willing, guys, I've been pushing this launch date back for months now, so God willing, that will actually be out the end of September. It has to be. I'm starting to film it. So basically, backstory, I always have backstories. I started filming my starter kit months ago, back in May, I think it was, and then I got a new office space, and I was well, now I'm gonna have to re-record it all because I've got a new office space, so I might as well stop wasting money paying for a studio and just film all of it in my office space. I want everything to be consistent and cohesive, so I basically need to re-record all the videos that I had recorded already and then some. So I'm basically gonna start recording it tomorrow and just get on with it, because it's been a long time coming. So that is gonna be my income stream number 8. Wow, those are my multiple streams of income. That's what helps me to survive. That's what pays for my holidays, for my clothes, for my hair. That's how I basically survived this life. Sometimes, yeah, I think to myself, I haven't had quote unquote a proper job since 2020. Sometimes I sit there and think, how the hell am I surviving? And then I sit down and I plan videos like this, and I realize that I do a lot, and that's how I'm surviving. And I'm not even just surviving, I'm striving, and I'm gonna continue to strive. I really hope that this video has been, I don't know, was it meant to be helpful? I don't know, but I hope it's been helpful and you gained a little bit of like inspiration or something. Find a way to diversify your income if that's something that you want to do. I really hope that this video has been helpful, and I guess I will catch you in my very next video.